Hello, today I'm going to show you why the turn signal is blinking fast. Let's get started. Well, if I look at the front of the truck, the turn signal is working. When I look at the back of the truck, their turn signal is not working. Let's see what's wrong. So we're going to check out the turn signal bulb. You're going to open the tailgate, and to access the light you'll have an 8mm bolt at the top and an 8mm bolt at the bottom. We're just going to open that up to access the bulb. We're going to take off the two bolts. And you're just going to pull the light housing off. So you have the top and the bottom plug. It's going to be the top plug. You twist it upward. It's lefty-loosey. I don't know if you probably won't be able to see it in the video, but I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you can see it, the bulb. It's burnt out. Let me take it out. You can see the filament laying there. As you see, that is a problem. That's why the blinker is blinking fast, because the rear turn signal is burnt out. We're just going to replace that. Bulb says on it 4057. This is a 4057 we're going to replace it with. Got the new bulb. You can see the tabs. The bulb just pushes in. It locks in with these tabs. Bulb's in, it's good to go. I'm gonna just put it back in the housing. You line up the tabs, and you just twist it downward. It's righty-tighty. And then just slide the housing back in and bolt it back together. It would be good to go. New bulb installed. Turn signal is working. Now the blinker is working like it should. Problem is fixed. If this video helped you out, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.